Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need tequila, orange liqueur, desert pear syrup, agave syrup, and fresh lime juice. We're gonna start by rimming the glass with salt, ice into a mixing glass, 3/4 of an ounce of desert pear syrup, 1/4 of an ounce of agave syrup, 1 ounce of French lime juice, 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur, and 1.5 ounce of tequila. Shake, fresh ice into the glass, strain, and we are ready to garnish. And that's how you make the Desert Pear Margarita. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.